Well, hey guys, and welcome to another episode of BFF, and we are on the road to the dirt bike track. Hey, Sonny boy.
Yep.
We haven't been up here for like 2 years, I think. Yeah, so guys, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit notifications. You guys have got 3 YouTube channels, haven't you? Yes, we do. Loads and loads of videos there for kids, which is awesome, and Birnie family fun. Yeah, we'll have to fix that soon.
Social distancing.
No, I don't think they've actually taken down the signs.
Yeah.
Sorry guys, we're actually just fitting a fishing rod holder on the inside of the car. And it's pretty annoying, that noise, isn't it?
Just need to cover up the back. Oh.
Here we go, baby.
I love
Oh yeah, it's bike side. It's definitely bike side.
Probably a lot of KTMs.
Yeah, I think we better just... Ooh, here we go, listen. This is wicked, you guys. That's awesome, look. Nice to get back up top. Wicked, isn't it? Here he comes. Thanks, buddy. Oh yeah. Up in the corner, look. Beautiful, look. Super. I think that sounds like a two-stroke. See the difference in the engines? You hear that one at the back? That's a 4-stroke engine. We've gone way up over the top. We'll go up over there next.
I love this place.
It's amazing. You forget this place is here. Maybe the racing was this morning, I don't know. Away he goes that way. Nice, there's the tabletop jump. We'll get to that in just a minute. No, they're not tanking it. That's a 4-stroke. Hopefully the guys will give us a few Denny's. Big 4-stroke. Here he comes. Coming down. He's just having... That sounds like a 2-stroke, that one. I could be wrong. Wow. Yeah, don't worry, we won't get closer, guys, don't worry.
Whoa, that was a high jump.
Yeah, so if you see the track there, guys, we'll have to go out with the tractor and level it all out again, because as you can see, it is getting like soup.
Yeah.
Yeah, don't worry, we will move, guys, just getting a few shots here.
Covered in mud.
Under we go. New jump. He's going to come back over that jump as well, look. Here he comes. This is our guy in the KTM, is it? I'm not sure actually, they're just so covered in mud it's difficult to tell. Come on. Let's see a flyer over here. He's come up to that top corner. Here he comes, look. Oh, that's wicked. Here we go. I know, he is hiking around this track. See, when you actually look at it, it's not a big piece of ground, this. You know, if you had your own Get your own bit of grind, goodness me, you could make this, couldn't you? Nice, he's off. Go and go and go. These guys are just covered in mud, look. Absolutely covered in mud. Yeah, there's Sir David and Emily's River Lossy, look. Way up there is the campy. That guy's hiking. Hopefully he'll do a big one coming round. Here he comes. Oh, he's slapping off. Is this guy going to conk over this? Ah, oh, he's coming down. Yeah, that guy's pretty quick. Noise, four-stroke. You can actually hear that noise from our house when they're all running. He's hiking. There he goes again. There's another one coming. There, it's starting to move now. That's a two-stroke. Has to be. Coming back in. Yeah, he's coming back in. David's found us wing. So watch out for any bikes.
It's a bit scary when you go over there because they're just hanging in midair.
Yeah, so it's the guys getting all power washed up, look. Man alive, the bikes that are just covered. But look how beautiful that, look at the beautiful bike new. Beautiful, isn't it? Nice. That's just wicked. You can see why they need the power washing, look. Oh, it's gorgeous. Oh, just like that. Oh, he's just coasting. Wicked. Yeah, they're just so muddied up, I can't tell what they are. I'm sure you experts would know.
Yep.
Eh? I reckon so, son. Oh yeah, they're way up the top in the trees there. What a great track though. It's not a big piece of land, is it? Just shows you this is all you need. That is such a big rut now, yeah. Just so much mud, look. Just so much mud. There he goes again. It's just getting so rutted now, look at it. So wet. Way down the back. Want to see him come back up over here though. Oh, he's slowing up. Alright, he's coming out to see his mates, I think. Coming out to see his mates. Right, let's see if we can follow these guys all the way up to Assay. Here he goes, look. Is he going to pull in? No. Here he comes. Just wicked. Over the back. It would get tiring after a while. With big bikes, these things. That's the guys getting all sorted out now, look. We're getting going. power wash that lady's home. Oh, there's a big bike. Oh, it's the guy from earlier. Yeah, it's wicked. So just going to roll it right up into the back of the van.
That van's probably just beautifully built by.
Oh, easy. Easy, yeah. Yeah, it looks like the guys are just starting to pack up a bit now. So we're back, guys, and young Dav's going to try a curry pot noodle.
Smell, I can't remember what it smells like.
Mmm, smells really good actually.
It smells like curry.
It's a bit curryish, yes. So if Davs doesn't want it, it looks like I'm going to have to eat it, but we'll see.
No, hardly any water.
He knows what a noodle tastes like. You're going to try it. Instead of feeling I'd be eating this, so Bailey's looking for some food, look, but you're always looking for food, aren't you, baby? That's all you think about, isn't it? This is all she basically thinks about you guys, is food.
Yeah, but Liqwid doesn't taste.
She eats so much, guys, I'm not kidding, look at her.
The juice on it doesn't taste good.
You're going to try it? Try it with the noodle.
Oh, it's still very hot.
But is it tasty?
No, not much.
No. I think that's it, guys. Project over.